Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Pink, lemon green, violet, green, red, blue, A. Say with me. A. A for ant. B. Say with me. B. B for book. C. Say with me. C. C for car. D. Say with me. D. D for dog. E. Say with me. E. E for egg. Egg. Say with me. F. F for flower. G. Say with me. G. G for garden. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for knife. L. Say with me. L. L for lion. M. Say with me. M. M for mango. N. Say with me. N. N for nest. O. Say with me. O. O for orange. P. Say with me. P. P for penguin. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for queen. R. Say with me. R. R for red. S. Say with me.
S. S for sheep. T. Say with me. T. T for tree. U. Say with me. U. U for umbrella. V. Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for whale. X. Say with me. X. X for xylophone. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zoo.
Subscribe for more videos.